Okay, in the previous exercise, you saw how to apply a layer style to a type layer, and we also saved that layer style, don't forget. So now what I want to do is I want to get another piece of text into my layout, and then I want to apply that style to the text. So this is, again, completely fictitious. The name of my band, I've decided that this is going to be a CD for a band. The name of the band is Big Fluffy Clouds, which is kind of goofy, but what the heck. Hopefully there's no bands out there named Big Fluffy Clouds. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to head back to my type tool inside Photoshop's toolbox. And I'm going to single click and I'm going to type out the name of the band's album, which I've decided should be Cloud9. Or maybe the name of the band should be Cloud9 and the name of the CD should be Big Fluffy Clouds. I don't know, but I'm just going with it here. So I type out my text. Once again, it's running off the edge of my template. That's all right with me. I'm going to select everything, Command A, and I just want to make sure that my text is indeed white. I want to have white text, not light gray or anything like that. So I'm going to use my little color swatch here up on the options bar just to double check. Yep, it is indeed white. Awesome. Top left corner there. Go ahead and click on OK. I'm going to head back to my Move tool. And once again, I'm going to use my free transform trick here with you. So Command T. And of course, the contents of the new type layer, Cloud9, are now enclosed inside the free transform frame. And maybe I'll just do a little bit of scaling here, holding down the Shift key. Something like this. And you can position this wherever you want it. Maybe I'll try and center it here inside the layout. I'm going to turn my guides back on, by the way. I went and turned them off earlier. Command semicolon or Control semicolon. And this is another neat trick. So I'm trying to line up the Cloud9 text into the center of my layout. And again, I'm just going to use the handles on the top and bottom of the free transform frame. I'm going to make sure that they're lined up with the center vertical guide, if that makes sense. I'm just using my arrow keys here to nudge my text into the center, something like this. Okay, great. I'm going to hit enter to lock in those changes. Now, the next thing that I want to do is I want to go and apply the same layer style effects that we have on the Big Fluffy Clouds text. I want to apply that to the Cloud9 text. And we saved our style. But the big question is, where did it get saved to? How can I go and reuse it? Well, it's all saved inside Photoshop's Styles panel, and you'll find the Styles panel up underneath the Window menu. So I'm going to head to the Window menu and then look for Styles. Okay, now you'll notice if you hover your mouse over top of the very last style, there it is, Cloud Text Style. That's what I saved my style as, right? So here's the deal. That's where the layer effects or the layer styles get saved when I save them. I have my Cloud9 layer selected inside the Layers palette. So all I'm going to do is just single click on my saved layer style, and the exact same settings, that stroke and that outer glow, get applied to the Cloud9 text layer. Just like that. Really, really easy. All right, inside the Layers palette, you can see there's my outer glow and there's my stroke. As always, I can double click on the right side of the layer if I want to go and edit some of those options, or if I want to go and add in some additional layer styles as well. So there we are. We are looking really good.